The Sagitta. What's up, guys? Average Gear Reviewer here, back with another quick little unboxing for you. In this one, we're taking a look at something really cool from Trivisa. I bet you guys may not have even heard of this knife. Want to bet and see? Go ahead and like the video right now. And if you already know the knife, you can take the like back. How about that? Is that a deal? Anyway, guys, this is going to be the third video up in our new knife month series, where I'm opening 15 knives over the next 30 days, and I'm way behind, so I got to get caught up. Anyway, this is the Trivisa Sagitta. If you've never heard of it, it's in this box right here. What do you think? Should we open it up and see what's in there? All right, let's get in it. Welcome to Average Gear Review. Real quick, guys, just remember this is just one in a series of videos that we're doing. So make sure that you like the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what knife you want to see next. And make sure you subscribe with your notifications turned on so you can follow along with the series. Okay, let's get back to it. But the best gear is the gear you have on. And we're over here at the top-down view. And let's go ahead and get this open. Again, I'll have a link for this if you're interested in checking one out. I'll have a link for the Amazon. It'll be an affiliate link. So again, if you want to help support the channel, that is one way that you can do it. You can kind of see some of the boxes we got left over up here. I'm so excited, guys. I'm like a kid in a candy store. So inside the box, you've got a card and a product certificate there. Looks like a pretty nice. Let's open it up and see how big it is. I can't wait to show you this knife, guys, because I don't think you're going to guess what it looks like unless you've already looked it up before it gets to the reveal. So a pretty nice microfiber cloth there. Yeah, I know, who cares about that stuff, right? Sure. Yeah, I'm always trying to find cool knives. Just always looking around for something different. And I came across this one and I thought, I have never seen one of those before. So, me being a big fan of Karambits, I thought I would grab one, and there it is, guys. That looks so cool. Oh my gosh. This is the Trivisa Sagitta from our good friends over there at Trivisa. If you remember, I did an unboxing on their Karambit knife not too long ago. I was really impressed with the quality on that one, and this one, yeah, I really like the look of that. It looks like a really nice upscale Karambit type knife. Really nice steel. This back piece here is steel, and you actually have a lanyard hole in there too. A lanyard hole on the thumb ring. It's got a good, nice feel to the thumb ring. I like the texture on the end there. I like the scallop for the thumb there. I really like it. Like the overall shape. So what you're looking at, let's get a flick on the blade. Nice. So this is the Trivisa Sagitta. It's classified as a Karambit, even though it does have a clip point style blade on it. But yeah, it's classified as a Karambit. Got a 2.95 inch 14C28N blade. Looks like it is wicked sharp. Got a nice stonewash finish to the blade. It is coming in at 0.13 inches thick, and some really, really nice jimping back here. That's really good placement on that jimping. I like that. And the thumb hole's in just the right spot too. You can see it does use an axis lock here. Looks like we have a is that a T6 pivot? Really? No shot that's a T6 pivot. What do you guys think? It just looks so small in the middle of that. It is not, so that's good. I really was worried that it had a T6 pivot in there for a second. So let's see, is it a T8? It is a T8. The hardware screws, I believe those are going to be T6s, and let's just double check on that. Yep. So T8 pivot, which is a captive pivot, I might say. Might add there, and the other side is that really nice looking Trivisa emblem. put it in the camera where we can see it. Okay. Backside's got a fairly standard looking clip, but got a nice little spring to it, steel clip. Unfortunately, you don't have the lay flat screws underneath there, and they are not tucked away in any kind of a scalloped out area or anything like that. So there is that, but you know, who cares? Just going to stick on the inside of your pocket. But really cool shape to it. What do you guys think about this blade shape? I like it. And some nice thick micarta handles on this one. Real nice texture to them. Good scalloped out there for your finger. So it's got a really good feel to it. Even when your thumb is through that thumb ring, still has a nice feel. Okay, yeah, it does look like the pocket clip is reversible. So yeah, if you're right or left-handed, you can carry that there. It does have an axis lock on it. It does seem to have a nice lockup too. Always a little bit nervous with these at first, but it does feel like it's got a good lockup to it. Let's see. Let's do a little spine whack and see. And it is not moving at all. So yeah, really nice, solid lock up there on the axis lock. Of course, with the thumbs, with the thumb hole here, you can thumb flip it. You can index finger flip it. You can flip it using just the axis lock, so that's cool. And your axis lock, another great thing about these type of locks is it's very ambidextrous. So if you want to switch it to left hand use, it's real easy to do because you can access that lock just as easy from the right as you can from the left. So yeah, I really like this form factor. You guys know that I'm really into Karambits, so yeah, this is something I just thought was really neat. I had not heard anybody else talk about these, so I wanted to get a video out and check it out, let you guys know what I think about it. So you've got about a 5.03 inch handle that's with the ring, I'm assuming. Let's check that real quick because you can't always trust what they say. Yep, right at 5 inches with the ring. And then a 2.95 inch blade. Yep, right at 2.95 inches. And saying it has a 7.87 overall length. And that is right on the money. It's clocking in at about 3.81 ounces. So it really weighs about the same as a CJRB Pyrite. Is that right? Yeah, it's pretty close. I would have thought it would have been a little heavier, but according to the numbers there. But yeah, I like that. You know, I'm really into Karambits and just really love the form factor itself. So I think that's super cool. But good feel to it. Seems like it's well made. No, it's no back and forth movement there. So the blade's really good and locked up. Centering is perfect right out of the box. If you can see that there, just right. Full steel liners. Guys, if you're looking for a straight blade Karambit, yeah, I would highly recommend picking one of these up. You know, again, this is let me, after saying that, let me say that this is just a first impressions video. So, you know, as always, this is my first look at the knife, my first impressions of it, and just trying to pass those on to you guys. So it's not a full review. Haven't done a lot of field testing on these or anything. Would like to do a little cut testing though. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oof. Well, that thing is nice and sharp, guys. Nice and sharp right out of the box. It's a confetti maker. Wow. Get a piece of notebook paper over here. And let's try some notebook paper. Seems to cut just a little bit different from the Post-it notes, so we'll see. Yeah. I don't know if I'm hitting the edge of it wrong or what. Yeah. And yeah, it is super sharp. Super sharp. So yeah, guys, that's the Trivisa Sagitta, 14C28N steel with the Micarta handles. And again, I'll have a link down in the description below if you want to pick one up for yourself. They're not tremendously expensive at all, especially for the materials. And if you're a fan of the Karambit style knife, this might be something that you're looking into. To me, I had a hard time finding Karambits with a straight blade. And that was specifically what I was trying to find. And this one really fits that bill very well. So yeah, pick you one up there if you're interested. Like I said, link will be in the description. You know, like I always say, guys, always be carrying. And remember, the best gear is the gear you have on you. That's right. Average Gear Reviewer, I'm out of here.
What's left? What's next? Subscribe to find out.
Average Gear Review. But the best gear is the gear you have on you.